New Year's resolution statistics show that 25% of people that set a New Year's resolution fail within the first 30 days. And of all the people that set one, 8%, only 8% succeed in reaching their goal. 8%, that's horrible. If you have a goal that you want to set for this new year and you want to have a better shot at reaching it, I'm going to help you raise that percentage from 8% all the way up to 76% with this method. Let's do this. New Year's resolutions have been seen as a waste of time by most because we have all made them and failed time and time again. And for every time that we've done it, we've also seen and heard others do the same all the more. There are a few key reasons that this happens, and it usually entails one or more of the following. The goal was vague, meaningless, unrealistic, and there was usually never an action plan devised in order to reach success. This kind of goal is going to result in failure 100% of the time, unless your goal was just simply too easy to attain to begin with from your current starting position. This isn't a goal, by the way. It's selling yourself short. Goals are meant to push you out of your comfort zone and reach for something greater, so let's not do that. So how do we fix this? I'm going to walk you through the SMART goal framework that's going to help you learn how to write your goal properly to take you from that 8% success rate to 76% or greater. Let's dive into the framework. SMART is an acronym that shows you the 5 things that your goal must include in order to be successful. First up is the S. It stands for specific. Your goal needs to be direct, detailed, and meaningful. M is for measurable. Your goal is quantifiable to track progress and/or success. A is for actionable. Start your goal with a verb. It needs to indicate that you are going to do something in order to get there and what you need to do in order to attain the goal. R is for realistic. Your goal needs to be something that you can actually attain. T is for time-based. It needs to have a deadline. Deadlines create a sense of urgency that helps drive you towards your goal. What the SMART goal framework does is it gives you very specific things to aim at in order to achieve your goal. There's no confusion on where you're going in your next steps. There's a popular quote that says, if you aim at nothing, you'll hit it every single time. That is so true. Instead of just shooting from the hips or Yosemite Samming it, we want to be like a sniper. We want to aim small, miss small. Let's go over a couple examples of how to set a goal. First off, let's cover a bad example. I want to learn how to jump rope better. That is a very vague goal that doesn't have any great meaning behind it, and it's not measurable. You don't want to do it this way. Instead, a good example would be increase from 2 to 12 jump rope skills by June 2020 so that my workouts will be more fun and effective. This example covers each part of the SMART goal framework, making it very clear of what you need to do in order to reach your goal. The next thing you want to do is create an action items list of what you need to do in order to reach this goal. That might include something like 1. Learn proper form and technique through online tutorials. 2. Invest in a good jump rope and make sure it's sized appropriately. 3. Choose 10 skills that you would like to learn. And 4. Practice each skill for 2 weeks, 3 to 5 days a week for at least 30 minutes. When you have all those action items laid out right before you, now all you have to do is put them into action. You need to just carry through with what you said you were going to do. Another bad example is, I want to lose weight. This is incredibly vague and doesn't hold any weight behind it to help drive you forward into reaching it. Instead, a good example would be, lose 20 pounds by May 2020 so that I can take my kids on a hike up Mount St. Helens and water ski on our vacation. This is completely made up, but it's very detailed. Again, it's meeting all of the SMART goal criteria. Action items for this goal may include 1. Work out a minimum of 4 days a week. 2. Learn how to feed my body to reach my goal. Learn how many calories it needs, what macros are, etc. 3. Commit to meal prepping for the week and only eating out 2 times a month. Number 4, cut out alcoholic beverage consumption, or at least reduce it significantly. Number 5, find an exercise that I really enjoy. I have included a free PDF download that's on my blog site. I have linked down below so you can download your SMART goal framework and start filling in your goal information. I guarantee that you're going to have more success in reaching your goals in this new year than you ever have before. If you are interested in learning how to jump rope, losing weight, and having more fun, then check out these videos. They're a great place to get started. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.